sovereignties of government.
Well, in recent years, you've pointedly been shopping for example, Russian weapons.
Yes.
Most recently, the joint Indian-Russian cruise missile.
Yes.
But you never got your credit card out. You never did. The question is, why? What are you waiting for?
We had to do. We had our priorities. I was buying for 12 cargo helicopters. And you know, we are not a rich country. However, we program the funds of government, how to budget it, there's always not enough to go around with. So I'm sure that we'll have to make the down payments and be prompt in our, just because Russia is a friend, it doesn't follow that we do not, we abscond or we do not pay our debts. So it's still money, and we're really short of it, actually. We're not that rich. But we have placed the orders now. 12 military helicopters, cargo choppers.